So I chose CTW because I had been searching. I had been wanting to do life coaching for some time, and I did my research. And then a great friend of mine who is a coach said, make sure that you plug in to a certification program where you can get your ICF. And so that got me looking for a accredited ICF coaching certification program. And I went on their website, found many different coaching programs, but this one stood out to me. That one, the website was absolutely gorgeous. It just seemed like it was put together. And then I had a conversation with Ferocious, and then that was it. I was sold. I really like the hands on approach, being able to be in the class and coaching right from the start. Throws you in there. And the first couple of times I was like, whoa, did she just, we're doing this today, right now? But honestly, it just is what I needed to kind of catapult me into embracing who I am as a coach. I like the ability to coach with other my peers, and it's encouraged throughout the whole process. And I like how thorough things are. Everything is spelled out, and all of the curriculum is done very nicely. You can implement them right away. I feel like after every, a session, I was able to really incorporate things right away, and to be able to connect with my clients in a different way. I think I learned who I am as a coach, and then as a teacher and as a facilitator. And those are three different things. And so I was able to really make sure that I let them discover the answers, not tell them the answers. Was able to be even more compassionate right away, and really work on my listening so that I could listen to their cues and look at their body movements too. So that was something that I wasn't as aware of before being in this program. I believe that the sky is the limits. I feel so empowered taking this program that it's opened me to taking more programs with CTW. I feel like I am a better person. I feel like I take coaching everywhere I go now. Before, it was in my work environments and when I was at a particular location, but I find myself wanting to encourage growth in everyone around me. And so I'm always trying to ask questions to generate people to just be thinking about being better. And that causes me to be better because I feel like I am able to contribute and show up in the world a little bit better because of this program. This is a dynamic program, and people know me. I have a brand, and so when I say something, I really mean it. It's because I really believe and stand by it. It is this program, for Rosha, the instructors that are a part of this, they're all invested, and it shows in just how they present, and it shows in the safe space that they create. And so I highly recommend people really exploring this. Talk to Ferocia, look at everything. It will be an experience that I'm pretty sure will change how you see yourself and how you see the world, and how you can be effective in it.